Hello everyone, I'm Molly from eChineseLearning. It's very nice to see you again here. Today I will share a new Chinese idiom with you. It is called 半途而废, which means to give up halfway. Are you ready? Now let's begin. There was a man called Yuè Yángzǐ in the Wei State who went far away to study. A year after departing, he returned. His wife asked why he came back so early. He said, "I have been away so long. I just missed home." His wife took a pair of scissors and cut the cloth she had just woven. Then she said, "This cloth was woven one thread at a time. Now I have cut it. The time spent weaving it was wasted." Continue, she said. Study is also like this. You should learn new knowledge every day. If you give up halfway, it's the same as cutting the cloth. Yue Yangzi was very moved by what his wife said and went on to finish his studies. And this time, he didn't return home for 7 years. This story tells people not to do things halfway.